Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So first of all, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or checking out my channel, do me a favor and go ahead and hit that big red button below. Yep, that subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that little bell and click the all. Because anytime I put out any new content, and hopefully you're getting some value from this content, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just made a new video and put out some new content. You might want to check this out. So with that, we're going to jump right into this video. And today what we're going to be talking about is Royaltie's newest update for their feature. So I touched on it last time with their being able to connect your social network like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to your platform, so you can actually put content out there on there and obtain leads and interest in what you do. So I'm going to show you how it works and in real time, and a little demo, and show you how simple it is, because it's pretty neat too. So yes, I said neat, but it's pretty cool, and I'm going to show you how it works. So we're on the social marketing part right here. So what we're going to do is actually hit this right here. Take your business to the next level. What is digital marketing? So I'm going to actually post that one right there. I'm going to hit that, view. If view content, I can actually view content. I'm not going to do it right now, but you can view content. Can duplicate it, basically copy, share or post. I'm going to post. Email to followers. So I can email to my list. That's another video right there. Because you can create your list with this platform. It's pretty cool. Copy the link or delete this right here if I don't agree with if it's not something that I want to post. So I'm going to hit share. Now this will pop up now. Okay. Let's see if I pull this down a little bit. This will pop up now, and now you'll see this one. You see it says Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so I'm just going to do Facebook right now. But I can actually click all of them and have it post to all of these social media platforms all at once. So instead of me going back and forth, because before you had to go back, post to one Facebook, go to the next, come back and repost to LinkedIn, and come back and repost to Twitter. Now I can just go, hey, all of them, and boom. So I usually I use more Facebook than anything right now. Working on building my brand and building up my LinkedIn, because that's very valuable too, a platform for social media when it comes to business and marketing and just connecting with like-minded business folks. Twitter's I use more for news, so and entertainment. So I actually can choose if I want to publish my personal to my personal page or publish to my business page. So I'm going to actually do my business page. I'm going to unclick publish to my personal page for this one. I'm just going to hit post. Boom, right there. Your social marketing is done. Would you like to add this content to your website's blog? Yes, I would. Your blog is done. Yeah, my blog is done. And that's it. The other steps I usually have is to send out an email to all my leads. So right there, that's what that will do, and it's pretty cool. So now I don't have to worry about it. So I can go to my Facebook and check my Facebook real fast. Let's see if I can get this up. There we go. So now I can go to my Facebook page. Here we go, right here. Go to this one. And what I just posted through my royalty is right here on my Facebook page. So when somebody actually clicks on it, people who are following my Facebook business page, they'll come to this. They'll see this right here, and they can actually enter to watch this video and their name and email, and then I will collect the lead, and so I can actually market to them on digital marketing. Usually it's going to be about around royalty in this platform to share with them what this can do for them and their business or their brand. So that's what this is. It's pretty cool. I like it. I think it's a great update to the feature, and it makes things basically saves you more time. So that's what's nice about this, is that this platform actually puts everything all in one, what you need, all the major components in when it comes to online marketing and digital marketing. You put all of it in one for a very low price, a low subscription price. There's no contracts. You get no high ticket things like most marketing agencies charge you a minimum like $2,000, $5,000 to do that, and that's monthly. To do that, what this platform will do for you in 5 minutes, and it takes them to do a lot of things, even the SEO. So we won't go into all of that because that's another video. But I want to share it with you guys. Hopefully you got some value from this one. Hopefully you can see what the power can do. This one saves a lot of time, because we all know that time is money, and money is time. So with that, guys, I hope you got some good value from me. If you have any questions about this or any concerns, feel free to type in the comments below. I'll give it to those as soon as I can in a timely manner, or give me a call at 925-752-8897, or text. Either or is fine. That's my direct line. I'll be happy to answer those for you, and I'll talk to you more about this and see, hopefully you got some value around this one. So with that, guys, until the next one, you guys have a great one. Be safe, be blessed, and take care.